Hello and welcome everyone to another StageDesigner tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to see how to use certain commands like go to start and Autostep in the playlist to create loops. I have already imported a number of clips into my preload. I'm going to go ahead in playlist and select the number of cues, and I'm going to select clip trigger. I have now imported a number of clips. I am going to select them all and change the trigger mode from manual to auto. That means that these clips are going to be played after each other automatically. And once I am done with this, I am going to go to the progress and I'm going to select go to start, and I am going to play these clips. The software is going to play the 3 clips one after the next, and once it comes to this go to start, is going to send the playlist to start, and it's not going to do anything further than that because I have not activated this play command. So if I want to just send the position back to the beginning so that I can manually play this loop again, I can just leave it how it is. But if not, I have the options here for this command down here available, and I can see here there's an option issue play command. So if I activate that, once the playlist is there, is going to send the playlist to the beginning, and it's going to start playing the whole loop again. So this way I'm gonna make a loop, and the software is going to stay in this loop until I press stop. Another way to create such a loop is to go to progress and use Autostep. With Autostep, I have more options to adjust and to do more settings. For example, I can give it a bit of a start delay. That means I can tell the software, for example, to wait 3 seconds before it issues this command. So each time the loop ends, I can wait 3 seconds and then continue the loop. I can do that with any time that I want. For example, every 1 hour I have to play these 3 clips. So I give here that time, and we go to the next options. I can either select go backwards. So if this auto step should send the playlist backwards, or it should send it forward, or it should go to a specific cue that I would select. So with the go back and forward, I can just select the number of cues that I want to go back. For example, in this case, 1, 2, 3. Or if I want to go forward, for example, I can do the same with whatever number that I would need. And with go to, I can also directly from this list select the number of row that I would need the playlist to be played again. So I would select 1 in this case, and then I would start playing the playback, the loop, the first video, second video, and third video. And now after 3 seconds, the software is going to send the playlist to cue to the row number 1, and this is going to create a never-ending loop of these 3 videos. And this is going to be stopped when I click on stop. And that's how we can create simple loops in StageDesigner playlist. I hope you're enjoying using the software, and hope to see you in another tutorial.